Hey there! Today, let's dive into the intricate world of Queen Anne's lace, also known as lace flowers. These delicate white blooms are like nature's lacework, symbolizing beauty and grace. You've probably seen them swaying gracefully in fields or along roadsides, right? Now, let's talk about their structure. Lace flowers have these intricate and finely detailed petals that give them a lacy, almost filigree appearance. Imagine a tiny artist meticulously crafting each petal. The petals can be deeply lobed, fringed, or finely divided, creating those lace-like patterns we admire so much. And colors? Oh, they're not just white. You can find lace flowers in pastel shades of pink, lavender, or even blue. Their delicate appearance is perfectly complemented by these soft hues. Ever wondered about their plant form? Depending on the specific type of lace flower, the plant can be bushy or have a more sprawling growth habit. It's like they have their own unique personalities. And the leaves? They're just as delicate, often finely divided, adding to the overall lacy look. Now, let's get a bit imaginative. What do you think these lace flowers look like up close? Picture their petals. Are they soft, smooth, or maybe a bit fuzzy? If I were a tiny bug visiting a lace flower, I think I'd land right in the middle, surrounded by those beautiful petals. Where would you land? And the scent? Do you think lace flowers have a unique smell? If I were to take a sniff, I'd imagine a light, fresh fragrance, maybe with a hint of sweetness. What about you? Lace flowers love to grow in certain places, too. Fields, meadows, and roadsides seem to be their favorite hangouts. I think they thrive best in these open, sunny spots where they can sway gently with the breeze. Where do you think would be the best home for a lace flower? Here's a fun thought. Imagine you have a magic wand and can change the color of lace flowers. What colors would you choose? I'd go for a mix of vibrant purples and blues, just to see how stunning they'd look. Alright, botany enthusiasts, that's a wrap on our exploration of Queen Anne's lace. Next time you see these charming flowers, take a moment to appreciate their intricate beauty and the delicate artistry of nature. Until next time, happy exploring!